Hello YouTube, this is Vacuum Man 8 today, and today we just got the Hoover 700 out. Carl's a bit bored, he's got a lot more paper shredders on the floor.
Some goes too.
And this time we're going to use the iconic Hoover 700.
Some of the paper shredders. That one.
Paper shredder.
And that one.
That's what's left of the old Argus book.
And that one.
And that one. And yeah, we're going to use this iconic Hoover 700 for
Hoover 700!
which was the first Hoover.
Yeah.
Well, one of the first of the machines to actually have the beta bar
And here's how it
technology.
Here's how it does it down and push it.
So we'll just see how well this one cleans up. Just a quick video.
3, 2, 1.
And tell you what's special about this one as well. We've just done our little mod now. We've now got HEPA bag technology in here now. Not bad, eh? So it's got a HEPA bag in it now. Just seeing how well it cleans with it. And so it doesn't seem to have a lot coming out the sides of it, does it?
No.
So yeah, so it's done a good job on that, as you can see. Done a fairly good job.
One, it can't do the corners, and when it gets to the corners, it goes.
Yeah, the rug's shot on it.
It's one shot.
So what do you say now, Carl? Bye for now, and please subscribe to Vacuum Man 8, and thank you for watching.